say white man got some junk in the trunk. Take it to the head, Kai. I can't do it.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Excuse me. Let me go in and get on in here. Oh. Sorry. Well, hello there. Let me see if I can get myself together real quick. Hold on. I haven't sat in this chair, y'all, in over a month. It has been a month since I filmed a video because your girl was on a break. But first things first, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kai Rashawn, and today's video is brought to you by XrsBeauty. They are a new company to my channel. This is my first time working with this brand, and I'm pretty excited about it because I've been seeing a lot of videos featuring their units, y'all, and let me just tell y'all right now, okay? Melted. So we're gonna go ahead and style this unit up together to see if it's gonna give what I think they trying to give, okay? But first things first, y'all know it's Friday, okay? It's been a minute. I had to make sure that I was still ready to go, all right? And I got my little Tiffany wine glass here and some brand new Stella. I missed you, sis. Oh, that's that real glass. It makes a noise. That's how you know it's real. It makes that little ting ting sound, okay? I got the new Stella Rosa Platinum French Vanilla thanks to our best friend Ken, my husband, but y'all best friend, okay? He ordered this joint from me and had it sent to the house, and I think he might have glued it down because your girl can't get her open. Let me see. I can't. Okay, wait a minute. If I'm taking too long, y'all know I got timestamps down below. Go ahead and fast forward to the parts you want to see, okay? Ooh. Chill out. Little sippy sip. Did I taste anything? I'm waiting for the taste. It's like a hint of vanilla after the fact. It is smooth. I definitely probably will more than likely finish this whole bottle today. It's real smooth. I kind of like that, okay? I forgot to have my glasses on, y'all, my bad. Now, we'll be showing you guys the difference in lace when it comes to transparent lace or the clear lace that comes with this unit. The clear lace is supposed to be better, so, you know, we're gonna do the test and find out if it's actually better or not. Now, transparent can be a real good lace, but sometimes it can come off white. This clear lace is supposed to melt down like skin. Be mindful, I said like skin, not skin, okay? You hear what I'm saying? Okay, so you still may see the lace, but it's gonna be melted as close to skin-like as I can get it. Okay, the more you know, sis. I will be showing you guys how I put the unit on. It won't be a talk through. I'll just kind of speed through that part, and then we're gonna go into the styling, talking portion together. But make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
You don't play around, cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day, true play away. I can't get her out of my mind, I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing that ride, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the cash. By no means average, it's someone she's got to have that. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I want to get in, can I get down so high?
Okay. So we are back. Uh-oh, wait a minute. We are back with our wig. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from XrsBeauty. It is their new 13x6 clear lace clean hairline straight unit. I got this unit in 20 inches and it sits in pretty long on me, if I must say so myself. It comes down at my chest. When they say 20 inches, they mean 20 inches, okay? The hair texture is pretty silky, it's soft. I did not go in and wash and condition the hair just because I didn't feel like it, but just in spraying this unit down, I did have some shedding already. So just be mindful of that when you go wash your unit. You more than likely will have shedding with your unit. No tangling though, so that's good. I kind of want to do a middle part. Is that what we want to do? Now, all the extra specs in my unit will be listed down below, as well as the starting price. This unit is not cheap, okay? You're gonna pay some coin for it, so be mindful of that when you go looking in the description. Oh, wait a minute! I was worried when I put this joint on, like, dang, she gonna be ashy, but surprise, surprise, look at her. Listen, that's with no product either. Hello, okay. What was I saying? Oh, the price. Yeah, it's gonna cost some coin. Don't feel discouraged if you can't afford something, or maybe you just don't wanna pay that much. It's, again, you do what you wanna do with your coins, okay? Y'all know, I don't really do middle parts like that because I don't feel like they look right on me, especially with a sleek unit, but I feel like this may be a hit. So, I'm using my wax stick. You can use any wax stick you want. I do have one linked in the description box, so if you need one, you can go ahead and check that one out. What am I looking for? Somebody text me. I know that's Kenny. I'm just gonna brush her down. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, it's a lot of flyaways on this joint. Let me get my wine out the way because I feel like she's gonna get some hair in her. I don't want that undrinker. Take it to the head, Kai. Maybe not. I can't do it. So I got my hot comb right here on 400 degrees. Let's see how it straightens that joint out. Just the top here. Maybe I can turn her up a little bit more. Ah! Flat iron, about to burn my thighs up. I'm just gonna flatten this out like this. At least try to. She's not really sitting how I want her to sit. Okay, it's not really working with my hot comb. I think it's because it's not hot enough. Okay, let me just go ahead and start, flat iron this joint. Turn the heat up like that. Oh yeah. Not my lash falling off, goodness. Now, I know it's been a minute, y'all. Your girl was on vacation with her husband. Kenny was on leave, so we went to the DMV to go hang out with our family. I pretty much relaxed the entire time. Who is this? I really wanted to, you know, hang out with some of my wig baes, but I just had some stuff going on while I was there, and I wasn't really in the right mindset to hang out with anybody else outside of, you know, like my family or whatever. So, also during that time, I picked up some new shows on Netflix. One in particular that I wasn't really checking for. I just happened to watch it on our drive back. And y'all, let me tell you right now, that show got me in all of my feelings. I don't know how to feel about this show because it's just like, what is going on? And that's the show SEX Life. I don't know how YouTube is with certain topics, so I ain't trying to, you know, say the word out loud, but you know, you can spell. If you do not know what I'm talking about, I did talk about it on my Instagram story. Initially, the first episode, I was all in, like, oh, you know, her husband doesn't treat her good. He, you know, so busy with work. She got kids and blah, blah, blah. But then, what? Billy, ma'am, what's happening, huh? What is going on right now? Do you want to be married? Do you not want to be married? Do you miss Brad? Do you not miss Brad? Do you miss something else's of Brad's? Now, if you saw episode 3, minute 1950, you already know what I'm talking about, okay? But, you know, for those who don't, let's just say white man got some junk in the trunk. Y'all, this show had me so frustrated that I literally watched all 8 episodes. Like, I was so mad that I just kept watching the dang show. Like, I just couldn't turn it off. That's how mad I was. And let me tell you right now, Coop, her husband, Francesca is waiting. Is that her name? Francisca, something like that. She is on go every single time that man turn around and say hi. She was waiting for him with the keys. The man is married, and she was still like, if you need somebody, I'm here. She was not playing. She don't give a dang about Billy and her nonsense. She know Coop needs a shoulder. Do people actually go through this? Are people in marriages that they don't really want to be in? Or are they in marriages that they think about other people like this? Like, she is legit fantasizing about her ex. Mind you, her ex was trash. Like, yeah, he got some good traits, okay, but all in all, as a person, he was garbage. Because I'm seeing the flashbacks. I'm watching them while you having them. And he's trash. And then her friend, you always gotta have the token black girl, the black friend who's a sounding board. But then it turns out that she was kind of getting it in with Brad. Wait a minute. It's some community stuff going on. Oh, this hair is straightening like a dream though. Look at this hair, y'all. It's straightening like a dream. And then the simple fact that Billy found out. She found out that they were, you know, hooking up or whatever. She cared, but then she watched them. What? Like I said though, I'm so mad I couldn't turn it off. I had to know what happened next because I just couldn't believe it. Why is it like this? Why are you doing this? Why are you putting yourself through this? You're putting your husband through this, and you got kids, sis. And she's a hypocrite. Plus, she's not all there because what person is going to journal or type up on her laptop that her husband has access to her fantasizing about another man? Keep that in the back of the brain. Okay, you don't put that out in words. Okay, let me do the other side real quick.
Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the I said skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we, was it more than just some off leg? I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, I spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour or two. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hitting me when you know better? Know you know better, know you cool better than you do. Got me looking for you, I be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby, sure. We do whatever we want.
Let me calm myself down with my drink because, Lord, where my wax stick? Here we go. Ow! Dang it. I'm literally looking at the daggone hot comb, about to burn myself, and I still burn myself. Don't be a Billy, don't be a Billy. Use my hot comb, push his hair back a little bit off my face. I'm gonna use some of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Pump a little bit in my hands. So I was hoping Sasha wasn't gonna be one of them girls. I was like, come on, you smart, sis. Well, both of y'all smart, but Billy playing dumb right now. So you gotta take one for the team, Sasha. Get some common sense. Finally, she woke herself on up and realized she's not gonna be a pawn, and she was trying to talk some sense into her friend, but Billy just wasn't trying to hear it. That's what you doing, Billy. You playing games, okay? You playing games. But Miss Franny Fran is waiting in the distance, okay? She ready to scoop your man up real quick and take him up off your hands, sis. He real close to stepping over that line, okay? Coop ain't playing with you no more. I wouldn't really call this a con. I just think you have to be careful, okay? Be careful. Don't be a Billy, okay? Don't be a Billy, and make sure that you are paying attention to your lace. This lace is very thin, okay? Very, very thin, and with thin lace, it will buckle at the site when you're spraying her down. You have to make sure you pull the lace a little bit tighter than usual to make sure that it's gonna lay down flat, because if you don't and you spray her down, you're gonna get some little crinkles in your lace. We don't want the crinkles, okay? Okay, let me just get my flyaways back together again, like so. This is the Garnier Fructis Full Control Hairspray. All right, let me go change my shirt really quick, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about this unit, okay? Okay, so I think we are done with this look. I probably should have moved my hair down a little bit more just because this side was a little bit more pre-plucked than this one. So because I have a lot of forehead real estate, I could have moved my unit down a little bit more and probably just cut this little bit off here to give me more of like an even look on both sides. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna swoop this little bit of hair right here like that. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I have to do for now because I don't feel like keep messing with it. I don't got my glasses on, so I'm gonna leave her how she's sitting, okay? Okay, so this is how that is looking for me. I did not go in and put any powder in the middle. Let me do that. I'm doing this without my glasses on. That's probably not the best thing to do. I'm already committed. Okay, so that is pretty much it with the hair, y'all. As far as the show is concerned, I will be watching season 2 only because I think they left out a chunk at the end just to kind of get us all razzled up. I think we're gonna see a lot of discussion in season 2. Okay, but this hair straightens like a dream. You hear me? I was worried. Okay, I was real worried about this joint, but I like it now. Y'all saw how this joint melted down with no product, no extra product on my scalp, no foundation, no extra powder besides the powder that I put into my partner space. That's it. Like, y'all, listen. Now, if you want to check this unit out for yourself, I will put the direct link as well as all my specs down below so you can do that. If I have a coupon code, it will also be listed down below. Shout out one more time to XrsBeauty for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.